Good morning, dear students. Today I am discussing with the chapter. I'm discussing with the embryological or anatomical evidence of organic evolution. Organic evolution कैसे anatomical और embryological evidence of organic evolution. So first I define embryo anatomical and anatomical anatomical and morphological evidence. Evidence of organic evolution. Evidence of for organic evolution. Morphological and anatomical evidence for organic evolution. So first of all, homologous organs. I've discussed with the homologous organ. What are homologous organ? Homologous organs. How will you define the homologous organs? The organs in different organisms have same basic structure. Same have same basic structure but different functions. Are called as homologous organs. Homologous organs, the organs in different organisms which have the same basic structure but different functions. They are called as homologous organs. Homo means same origin. The structure of the body plan of these organisms is similar, but due to the specific needs, they perform the different functions. So, homologous organs, what are the examples of the homologous organ? First example of the homologous organs are the examples of the homologous organ. What are the examples of the homologous organs? First example is the forelimbs of the man, cheetah, whale, and bat. Forelimbs of man, cheetah, CHEWTAH, cheetah, whale, and weight. Forelimbs of man, cheetah, whale, and weight. Forelimbs of man, cheetah, whale, and bat are the homologous organ because the forelimbs of man are used for holding the object. Forelimbs of man are used for holding the object, and forelimbs of cheetah used for running, and forelimbs of whale are used for swimming, and forelimbs of bat are used for flying. So but they are made up of same type of bones. Same type of bones are found in this in the forelimbs. For example, humerus, radius, ulna, metacarpals, and carpals. Humerus, radius, ulna, metacarpals, and carpals are the main composition. These are the bones which are present in these all the four limbs of man, man, bat, cheetah, but they have performed the different functions. So they are called as homologous organs. Other examples of the homologous organs are the homologous organ can be stage also found in the plant. Other example in case of plants, for plants में in plants tendril formation in plants में homologous organ are also found in plants. For example, thorns of homologous organs are also found in plants. Homologous organs are also found in plants. Are also found in plants. Found in plants. For example, tendril in cucurbits. Tendril formation takes place in the cucurbita family. Cucurbita family. Tendril formation takes place in the cucurbita family. Vita and thorn found in thorns are found in bougainvillea. Thorns are found in bougainvillea. These are also the examples of the homologous organs which are found in the plants. For example, tendril. Tendrils, they both have the axillary in position. The origin of this structure are axillary. Origin of this structure are axillary, but they perform different functions. They perform different functions in the plant. But they perform different functions. But they perform different functions. For examples, tendril help the plant to climb up. Tendril help the plant to climb up, and thorn give protection to the plant, but they have the different functions in plant, but they arise from the axillary position. So we can say that they are the homologous organs. Other examples of homologous organs are the vertebrates. vertebrate heart and brain, vertebrate heart and brain, vertebrate heart, vertebrates heart, vertebrates heart and brain, vertebrates heart and brain, vertebrates heart and brain. Vertebrate hearts and brain are also the example of the homologous organ. Hearts in various vertebrates, the hearts in various vertebrates, the heart of fishes, amphibian, amphibian, reptile, birds. The hearts of fishes, amphibian, reptile and bird have same basic plan, but they are specialized, but they vary in degree of specialization. They vary in degree of specialization due to different needs in different type of habitats, different needs in different type of habitats, in different type of habitats. So we can say that, for example, ठीक है, तो so different according to the habitat, the heart functions of the heart vary from fishes, reptile, birds and mammals. So we can say that these are the clear. They also show the evolution. Homologous organs show divergent evolution. Homologous organs show divergent evolution. Homologous organ show divergent evolution. Homologous organs show divergent evolution. Homologous organs show divergent evolution. What is divergent evolution? How will you define the divergent evolution? How will you define the divergent evolution? How will you define the divergent evolution? What is the definition of the divergent evolution? Homologous organs. So divergent evolution. Homologous organ. So what is the proper definition of the divergent evolution? The divergent evolution the same structure which are developed in different organisms which are developed in the same structure which are developed in different organisms in the same structure which are developed in different organisms, the same structure which are developed in different organisms, the same structure which are developed in different organisms along different directions, along the developed in along different direction which are developed which are developed the same structure which are developed the same structure the same structure developed along different direction, the same structure which are developed along different direction, the same structure which are developed along different direction, the same structure which are developed along different directions along different direction due to different type of adaptation due to different type of adaptation due to different type of adaptation due to different type of adaptations to different needs, different type of adaptation to different type of needs, to different due to different type of needs, different type of needs. We can say that it is called as divergent evolution, the same structure which are developed along different directions due to different type of adaptation due to different type of needs. So we can say that it is called as homologous organs. Other is the analogous organ. What are the analogous organs? Other is the analogous organs. I am defined as the analogous organ. Analogous organ. Analogous organs. What are the analogous organs? How will you define the analogous organs? Analogous organs. Analogous organs means we can say that the structure in different organisms, the structure in different organisms, the structure in different organisms, the structure in different organisms which are not anatomically similar, which are not anatomically similar, which are not anatomically similar, but they perform similar function, but they perform similar functions, they perform similar functions. but they perform similar functions. These are called as analogous organ. Analogous organs, द स्ट्रक्चर इन ऑर्गेनिजम्स के अंदर क्या होता है, अगर इनके एनाटॉमी को देखें तो इनकी एनाटॉमी बिल्कुल डिफरेंट मिलेगी, लेकिन इनके जो फंक्शंस हैं सभी के वो सेम मिलेंगे. ऐसे ऑर्गन्स को हम बोलते हैं एनालोगस ऑर्गन्स. दीज ऑर्गन्स ऑलवेज शो द कन्वर्जेंट एवोल्यूशन. एनालोगस ऑर्गन्स शो analogous organs show convergent evolution. Analogous organs show convergent evolution. Analogous organs show convergent evolution. They show the convergent evolution. They show the convergent evolution. What are the examples of the analogous organ? I am discussing with you the examples of the analogous organ. Example. So how will you define the examples of the analogous organ? First is the wings of the butterfly and birds. Wings of butterfly and birds. Wings of butterfly and birds. Wings of the butterfly and birds. If we show the butterflies are invertebrates. They comes under the invertebrates. They comes under the invertebrates. And birds comes under the vertebrates. And birds comes under the vertebrates. And comes under the vertebrates. Butterfly comes under invertebrates and they comes under the different, but the internal design is different. The anatomy is different. The anatomy of wings is different, but same function of flying. Same function of flying. So we can say that these are the analogous organ. Other examples of analogous organs are the other example. I am discussed with you the sweet potato and potato. Second example of analogous organ is sweet potato and potato. Sweet potato and potato. Sweet potato and potato. Sweet potato and potato. Sweet potato and potato are the examples of the also the examples of the analogous organ, because sweet potato, the origin of it is a underground root. It is example of underground root. And potato is a example of underground stem. It is a example of underground stem. It is example of underground stem. But the origin is different. But they store the material. The function is same. Function of these are storage. storage of material, storage of material. So these are the examples of the analogous organs. Of other examples, eyes of octopus and mammals. Other example is the third example, eye of octopus, eye of octopus and mammals. Eye of octopus and mammals. Eye of octopus and mammals. Eyes of octopus and mammals are also the examples of the analogous organ in which they have the different structure. If we see the eye of octopus and anatomy, if you see the anatomy of the eye of octopus and eye of mammal, they have the different anatomy, but the same function is the vision. But the same function is same function vision. But they have the same function vision. Same function is the vision, but the same function is the vision. So we can say that clear. So we can say that it is also the example of analogous organ. Fourth example is called flippers of penguins and dolphins. Flippers of penguins. Flippers of penguins and dolphin. Flippers of penguin and dolphin. Flippers of penguin and dolphin are also the examples of the analogous organ, because penguin is a bird and dolphin is a mammal. Penguin is a bird. It is a bird. Penguin is a bird and dolphin is a mammal. And dolphin comes under mammal. Dolphin comes under mammal. But they have same function, swimming. The internal structure of these flippers of penguin dolphin is the different, but they have the same function is the swim. But they have the same function, swimming. They have the flippers of penguin and dolphin, same function of the swimming. So these are also the examples of analogous organ. So वो analogous organ they always show convergent evolution. Convergent evolution. So what is convergent evolution? How will you define the convergent evolution? How will you define the convergent evolution? So I am discussing with you the convergent evolution. So analogous organ show the convergent evolution. Convergent evolution. Convergent evolution. Analogous organ show the convergent evolution. Evolution. Analogous organ. Analogous organ. Analogous organs show the convergent evolution. So how will you define the convergent evolution? What is the importance of the convergent evolution? This is very important question from examination point of view. Convergent evolution means the anatomically different structure, the anatomically different structures the anatomically different structure in various group of organisms in various group of organisms, they evolve toward the same direction, they evolve toward the same function, but they evolve toward the but they evolve toward the same direction, same direction, same direction means same function, due to same function due to adaptation to similar habitat, due to adaptation to similar habitats, due to adaptation to similar habitats. But due to adaptation to similar habitats, this type of evolution is called as convergent evolution. So this is the convergent evolution. So what are homologous organs, what are analogous organs, and what are convergent evolution, and what is divergent evolution? So these are the important topic related to the organic evolution. Other topic, I am discussing with you the connecting link. The last topic I am discussing with you the connecting link. What are the connecting links? Connecting links. What are the connecting links? What are the connecting links? How will you define the connecting links? Connecting links means the organism which possesses the character of the organisms which possesses the characters of which possesses the character of the organisms which possesses the character of two different groups, 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 which possesses the character of two different groups are called as connecting link. Examples, Euglena. Example of connecting link. First example is the best example, Euglena. Euglena is a connecting link, is a chlorophyll green protozoa. It comes under protozoa group. Chlorophyll is present. Chlorophyll is also present. It shows the characters of plant and animal. It shows the characters of plant and animal. It shows character of plant and animal. It shows the character of plant and animal. Second example, First, second example I define with you is the peripatus. 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 Peripatus is it is an arthropoda. It comes under arthropoda group. It comes under arthropoda. It comes under arthropoda. It show the characters of. It show the characters of. It show the characters of Annelida and arthropoda. It show the characters of Annelida and arthropoda. It show the characters of Annelida and arthropoda. So peripatus is also the example. Other is the balanoglossus. Other example is the balanoglossus. Third example, balanoglossus. 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 It is a balanoglossus is a hemicordate. It is a hemicordate. It is hemicordate. It is a hemicordate, but it show the characters of hemicordate it show the characters of it show the characters of but it show the characters of known chordates and chordates. It show the characters of known chordates and chordates. But it show the characters of known chordates and chordates. So these are the examples. These are the various example. Other very example, latimeria. This is very good example, latimeria. 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 It is also the colon-canth fish. Colon-canth fish. It is also called as colon-canth fish. It is also called as colon-canth fish. Colon-canth fish. It is a connecting link between fishes and amphibians. It is a connecting link between. It is a connecting link between fishes and amphibian. It is a connecting link between fishes and amphibians. It is a connecting link between fishes and amphibian. Colon-canth is also the very good example of the connecting link. Other example, is the chimera, CHIMA. For other example, last example of the connecting link is that the very good example is the chimera, chimeras. Chimera, CHIMAERA. Chimera. It is a connecting link between cartilaginous species and bony species. Connecting link between cartilaginous species and bony fishes. It is a connecting link between cartilaginous species and bony fishes. So these are the various examples of the connecting link. Today I have discussed with you the homologous organ, analogous organ, connecting link, and various examples, and along with the definition of convergent evolution, divergent evolution. Analogous organ always show the convergent evolution, and homologous organ always show the divergent evolution. So I am ending up my topic today. So please like these videos. If you like, then thank you very much.